everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hilda and I'm a high-ticket sales coach, teaching coaches and service providers how to create and sell a four-figure offer. And today we're going to do a highly requested video actually. It's how to get more clients, y'all, because we all want it. If you have 0 clients, you want 1 client. If you have 10 clients, you want 20 clients. If you have 100 clients, you want 200 clients. But maybe you are new in the industry, or maybe you've been in the industry for a while, but you struggle to get enough clients. Or maybe you're just looking to get that 1 client to get you all started. Today, I'm going to give you 3 things that you should be focusing on in order to close those clients. So stay tuned. So how do we get more clients? It's very easy. We sell. But let's break it down. So how do we get people to buy from you? And the first thing you need to have in order for people to buy your services is clarity, because confused clients do not buy from you. If I stumble across your page and it's not clear to me who you are, what you do, and how you can help me to solve my problem, I will not buy from you. I need to have clarity. It has to be so clear to me that you help these clients with these problems and you do it this way, and the transformation they are going through is this. And your content and your messaging has to be aligned with your offer. If it's very unclear to me what you do, I will not buy from you. It's that simple. And I have people coming to me saying that I don't know what I'm doing wrong, because I post all this content all the time and I'm showing up, but I don't care how many times you post the generic content, like aspire for greatness and know your worth. It's like, that's just you posting quotes from Instagram. That's not even your words. It's like, that's only motivational quotes. It doesn't provide me any value whatsoever about how you can help me. Because when I land on your page, I have a problem and I'm looking for answers and I'm looking for a solution. So when I land on your page, it has to be very clear about, like, you have to tell me how you are going to help me. You have to tell me how your program works. How are you going to take me from where I am now to where I want to be? So if you are not clear about those things, I will not buy from you. So the first thing that you have to be clear about is those things. You have to have clarity. You have to know who are your clients, who are you going to serve, what kind of problems are they having, how are you going to help them with their problems, and how is their transformation going to be. The second point is visibility, because face it guys, people do not know that you exist. You're new to the game, you're new in the industry, you do not have a name yet. So just relax, because people do not know that you have something to offer. So what you need to do is introduce yourself. And you have to create a platform where you speak about your knowledge and you show your face, or do lives, do reels, do video content. And don't be afraid to show yourself. Because people are so afraid to show up on their stories and like doing lives. And I get that because I was that myself in the beginning. But then I asked myself, like, would I pay people $3,000 if they did not show their face, that they did not show up to talk about their knowledge? I would not. If I want to invest $3,000 in a coach that's going to teach me something, teach me about a topic that they claim to know so much about, and they don't even show up, because they don't even dare to show up to speak up in front of an audience, I would not have invested those money in that coach. No. So you need to be visible, and you need to know, like, you need to introduce yourself to people and let people know that you're here. Like, let people know that you have an offer. Let people know that you can solve their problems. Let people know that you have something to give. And so you have to be visible. You just have to be visible. There's no way you can succeed as a high ticket coach if you do not dare to show up and show your face. But prove me wrong. But I don't think so. No. And the third point, and it's a very important point, it's networking, guys. You need to start talking to people. You have to reach out in someone's DM and just like say, hey, how are you? You have to create contact. You have to build a network, because it's your network that will provide you with contracts. And people actually do not know how to reach out to people, but I try to simplify it by just saying that you should show up just to make friends, just to be interested in other people, to ask about the business, how the day is, like, do you have a family, what's your goal, like, just to create friends. That's the easiest way to say it. And try to book a call with someone. Try to get a deep connection and build that network. And it's also very important to say that people are often only focusing on creating a network with potential clients. And this is something that I teach in my program. It's target networking. Because you should not only be focusing on creating connections with future clients. You should also be focusing on creating connections and build a network with people who could be your ally, people who you can benefit from, people with an already existing audience, people with a good name in the industry, like people like to just take an example. It's a very big shot, but anyway, let's say that you have a goal to be friends with Gary Vee, right? And you get that opportunity. You have you have nurtured this relationship. You made friends with him, and you get the opportunity to come on a live with him. Like, let's chat that for 10 minutes. Wouldn't you say that during that time, more people would know who you are, know what you do, you would get more visibility, you would get more connections. That's the point. If you get in contact with people who is already established in the market, you will get so much benefit from that. And if you look at the salespeople, the really good ones, they do target networking. They know exactly who to target, which kind of clients they are after. They have a spreadsheet of who to target, which type of clients should they target, but also who in the industry can I benefit from? Who should I target? Who should be my friend? Because when you are get friends with someone who is already established in the industry, and you get the opportunity to go on a live with them, or do a reel with them, or do a YouTube video with them, you will get in front of a new audience. You will get even more visible. So focusing solely on clients, future clients, is not the only thing, like what I mean by networking. You should focus on clients, future clients, and allies who can be your friend in this game. So I hope these 3 points will help you to get more clients in 2022. And I hope you really liked this video. And if you did, please hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you soon. Bye!